What's up guys? So today I'm getting back on the engine install. This will be part 2 to the engine mount lift kit. I will be cleaning up my welds on what I did from the previous video, just to kind of pretty some of that up. When I set the engine off in there, I want to take and utilize the EK stuff to fit the EF. Just a simple retrofit. I will be having to remove that mount right there so we can fit this one on here. Shouldn't be too difficult. I suppose it's time to tackle this mount. Let's get to it. Okay, there it is, all cleaned up. Got the factory mount out of the way. I didn't have a spot weld drill bit, so I just used a regular drill bit. Spot weld drill bit, it's kind of set up like a hole saw, like a teeny tiny hole saw, and it just cuts around the spot weld. Saving on drill bits dramatically, but I used a titanium bit, kind of eat right through it. I didn't have many spot welds to be getting at anyways, but this is what it looks like. I'll just end up welding those up. We got the 2-inch lift completed. I'm about to show you kind of what's going on with it. That's what it's looking like. Just built this bracket up to hold the EK mount. built this up. I did have to modify this. Basically made this out of the EK T-mount. Right here, you can tell, you can plainly see where the 2-inch lift is going to be quite a bit more. Definitely probably going to have to modify a hood. I wouldn't suggest going 2 inches unless you plan on modifying your hood, cutting a hole in the hood, or running no hood, but you definitely won't be able to run it as is.